today I've got a massive variety of different things. Some of these things are kind of holiday vibe, holiday related, but I bought these things, most of these things, over the past couple of months and stuff. And also, if you haven't watched my wish list, my recent luxury wish list, I suggest after this video you go and watch it, because some of these things were actually on my luxury wish list. If it's your first time tuning into my channel, or you have seen 1 or 2 videos of mine and you haven't subscribed yet, hello, welcome back, welcome. My name is Flossie. I do things relating to fashion, travel, and lifestyle, and we love to dibble and dabble into luxury. And also, if you haven't clicked notification bell, don't forget to click notification bell if you're alerted whenever I upload, and don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram at Flossie Insight. With all that being said, let's get to the video. I'm going to start with the accessories. Let's try and get the glasses and the sunglasses out of the way. So this time I've actually got 3 sunglasses, yep, and I got them for massive good deal. So the first glass I'm going to go through is actually this beautiful Dior one. I love these sunglasses. This is something that I actually picked up. It's on their website. I did get it from one of my local Dior stores. This is part of the Dior signature, the sports collection. I did do the unboxing, I believe, on my TikTok. Love this, and it does come in different colors. They've got the blue and the red. I love this kind of rectangular aesthetic. I think it's beautiful, and I do not have white frame glass. I just thought, why not? Let's kind of take a bit of risk, and I really love this. So it's got the Christian Dior written on there with the gold writing on it, and then you've got the white frame, and of course the glass itself looks a bit like a dark blue, blackish dark blue. Love these glasses. And it comes with just this case, like a normal Christian Dior case. I love this. I mean, I have worn it. I did get this about 2 months ago, and I have worn it once. Love it, would recommend it definitely. When it comes to glasses, I'm usually quite scared with like the little narrow frame or rectangular frame, because I've got quite of a round big face or something like that, so I'm quite skeptical. But I love this. When I saw it in the store, I really loved it. Sunglasses is by Porsche design. I actually saw this on someone on Instagram, and I asked them, like, wow, I love your glasses, where was it from? And she told me it was actually from she told me what brand it was, and I immediately, funny enough, I found a website that was having it on sale, and I immediately purchased it. So it's the Porsche design. It's like an aviator style. Love this. And it's got the blue gradient, so it's white, you've got the gold and white on the handle, and then you've got the blue fading blue red gradient, and I believe they've got it also in like a blacky gray shade. But I love this. Love this. I really do love it. So I can't actually wait to style this on holiday. Next, the last sunglasses of the bunch is actually this very beautiful Miu Miu. I love this. It's like a tortoise shell. I love the frame of this. It's like a square, chunky square frame. This is typical what I usually go for. I love this. Now, these glasses, they've got it in just a pure black frame or pure brown frame, but I decided to go with this tortoise shell because I thought it's different. Love it because it's got the Miu Miu written on the side with the gold. Love this. Can't wait to rock this. Everything about this. This thing's class. Elegant, and of course it comes in this nice beautiful blush pink velvet case. I thought it was really beautiful, and of course the glass case. Next items are items I actually mentioned in my wish list video that I uploaded. I believe that's the last video that went up, to be honest. And if you haven't watched it yet, I suggest you go watch it, because we managed to tick quite a few things out of that wish list. So the first one I'm going to show you is this beautiful gorgeous Dior swimwear. Like I said, I'm going away, so I decided to treat myself to this. I've actually been wanting it for a long time. So this comes in a black and a white. I believe someplace I've seen a gray one or something, but don't quote me. But this black one, I loved this. I've always been, this is not actually a swimsuit, this is actually under their underwear section, but you know what, we're gonna rock it. We're gonna pose by the poolside, you know, chilling. I love this crop top because I think it's so versatile. I can actually wear it if I'm not on holiday either. I can actually put it as a crop top, put a blazer on it. Like, you know what, the style is endless. Put it underneath some mesh top, and then the Christian Dior will be, you know, doing its own thing. So I did pick this up in a size medium. So I got the black, obviously, with the white strap. Love this. The quality is beautiful. It's got stretch to it. And with the matching, I decided to match it with the high-waisted shorts. Love this, love this. So yeah, we're gonna be rocking this. So I did pick this one medium as well. I did get this in a medium. Love it. So this also is something that, I mean, I think I can get more wear out of the top compared to the shorts, but you know what, we love our holidays, so we're gonna keep it and we're gonna use it again and again. And again, it's also got a stretch to it. I decided to go with a medium because I wanted comfort. Don't want it to look too tight, but I want it to look really nice and sexy. So I love this. I'm looking forward to actually wearing it, and hopefully I will do a vlog to show, you know, my trip, because sometimes I forget because I'm just living the moment and enjoying my. And the next item is also another Dior item. This is something as well on my wish list. I was so happy that I was able to get this. So I was able to grasp this gorgeous, beautiful Dior scarf. What I love about this scarf is it's reversible. So you've got the blue side and you've got the red side, so I can actually wear it again and again. And this is something that, this is the large size. I believe it's the 90 by 90. It's a bit silky. It's got the silky, it's kind of silky to it, silky effect to it. So this is something that I can actually wear as a sarong. I can put as a, on my neck. I can put it as a scarf on my head. I love this. I've always wanted this, so I'm so happy. This was actually the last one when I bought it in store. It was the last one, so I'm excited and I can't wait to, like, you feeling that look, you feeling that vibe. So that's what we're gonna do with this. This is also something else I wanted. I was able to get it, the Valentino Donna. I have used it 2 or 3 times already. Love this. I actually bought, I think a week after I had that video up, I saw it was, I think there was a deal or an offer somewhere and I grasped it. I got this in, I think this is a 50 ml. Love this. This is my favorite of the Valentino perfume. I'm obsessed with this Donna. It's nice, it's subtle, but love it. This is something like, aesthetically it's beautiful, and honestly it leaves a scent and it's long lasting. Love this perfume. Honestly, I cannot recommend it enough. This is beautiful. The next item we have here is a Valentino, beautiful Valentino. You know I love my Valentino. So I've got here, it's gorgeous. I actually got this on offer from, I think it was Essence, I believe, was doing a fall new collection offer of 30% off new things. So I was able to get this. I believe it's still on. So I got this earring, this beautiful, they have it in 2 different sizes. So they had a smaller size, but this is the bigger size, and this is the gold with the Swarovski all over, and it's got the V on it, if you can see. So this is the bigger size. I believe on the website it's about about 460, a couple of pounds more than the normal, the smaller one, but with a discount this one came out to the same price. So I just thought it's better to grasp it. So I love this. It's beautiful. I love this. This is like elegant. When it comes to earring, actually, like when it comes to designer earrings, I like the ones that are not very common. Like you don't see, this is not very common, not a lot of people have this, but I love it. So it comes in its little dust bag and in its little box. So cute. Love this. If you know me, you know I have got an obsession with Amina Muaddi. Number 1, because I think it looks really classy and really elegant. Number 2, I love the pop of colors. Like, you know, we love colors here, so I love the fact that she plays around with colors, very bold colors as well. Number 3 is the fact that it's comfortable. I love Amina's shoes because they are very comfortable. Number 4, it's like literally you can wear, it's so versatile. You can wear it with so many things, with trousers, with dresses, with skirt. So when I saw this, I was actually on a hunt for a beautiful statement orange shoes, because when I had these Bottega sandals that I unboxed sometimes last year, I believe I got from Bista Village, and I said to myself, I need an orange pumps. I need something nice and comfortable. I love my pumps, especially as it's getting cold. And then I decided to do this research, and I came across this whole brand. I don't know, this company, I believe it's Italian. It's called Antinoli or something. And for new customers, you have like 15% off. And they had my size 1 only, like literally 1. And we know Amina is quite hard to get. So I was able to get this. It came within 2 days. I love it. I was so happy. So I was able to get this beautiful Amina, beautiful. It's satin. I still maintain my yellowy satin one is beautiful. I find them comfortable. Now this design, I haven't had this style before. I've only got her, you know, her classic sign, Amina sign. Now this is a new one for me and I love it. I think it's different. It's very Cinderella, very glamorous. Love this. I did pick this up in a 40, so I got this on a discount with as a newcomer, and honestly I can't fault it because her shoes usually go for about 9 something, and I was able to get it for about 760 or so or thereabout. I love the color. I love this orange, goes beautiful with my shoe. Now this is something I can wear with a dress. I can wear this with trousers. I can wear it in a suit. I love this. I can't wait to actually style this. Love, love, love this. Beautiful. Now, you know, it's been a minute that we've had a handbag unboxing on here. You know, I love handbags. If you know me well, you know I love handbags. Not just handbags, I love versatile handbags. I love colorful handbags. I'm obsessed with handbags. That's my happiness. That's my happy place. So my husband gifted me the Bottega Jodie in green, the Kelly green, or the, you know, the classic Bottega green, and I loved it. I really like it. Like literally, it was beyond my expectation, and I wear it most of the time, even though I love structured bag. But honestly, I was so impressed with that bag. I was so impressed with that bag that I decided to treat myself to another Bottega. A different color. This is like a limited edition. I don't think it's not on their website anymore because it's sold out. It was just available in Europe, and I believe I grasped the last one from Harrods. So got this. I'll show you the bag. Very beautiful, beautiful Bottega Veneta mini Jodie in gold. Like literally, this is like crushed gold, like droplets of gold. Beautiful. I love this because I've been on the hunt for a gold bag. I do not have a gold bag. Like I do a diorama, but I'm kind of getting fed up of it, and I wanted something different. I wanted something versatile, and I saw this. I came across, I was just typing, I wanted a gold bag, and this literally popped up, and I actually saw it on somebody's unboxing on YouTube. She unboxed and she said she bought it from Paris and it was a limited edition. I literally quickly typed it and I was able to find one in Harrods, and they were kind enough to send me a payment link. I paid for it and I saw it, and I was like in love. Like literally, this video does not do this justice. This is beautiful. Like literally gold. It's like crushed gold, like full gold. Is nice. I love this. Love this. Like, you know, I had to put something in there to give it a bit of structure, so when I put it in my closet it kind of stands. It's like sits in there, but it's beautiful. I love this. I cannot wait to style this, and I think with gold, like it goes with anything. This color will go with so many things. For me personally, gold is the neutral color because I wear a lot of gold compared to silver, and I can style this in so many ways. I love this. Literally love this. So this, I have been actually wanting this for like no lie for about 2 years, but I have been literally procrastinating and trying to ignore it. But you know what, when it's right, it's right, and I decided to, you know what, just get it for myself, treat myself. You only live once, and that's about it. So I was able to finally get myself the Louis Vuitton Horizon 55. So I got the size 55 because I was contemplating between the 50 or 55. I went to the shop, like literally compared them. It was literally at the dying minute I decided to go for the 55, and I'm so happy that I actually got the 55. I love this. It's beautiful, and of course I then also the tag, I personalized it with my initial because you have that option too. It's not extra money, it's just standard. I love this. Love, like literally the back is beautiful. Love this gold. Like we're gonna be looking after this, so this is coming on holiday with me because I have the bag on the go, I have the laptop cover, I have the passport holder, so it's only fair that we also have the carry-on hand luggage. So this 55, I was told I can actually put it in the cabin, so I'm not going to be checking this bag in, but so durable. Like literally, if you're thinking about it, I'll tell you now, yes, like literally buy it. So I think all I need to do is either get like a thing on the back to avoid this from scratching, maybe like a bag where I can put it in or something, but otherwise I really love it. I love the color, everything about this, and this is like literally classic. This is the classic. We love this. Love this. That wraps up the end of this video. I hope you love this collective haul. Like literally, I've been able to purchase a lot of things. I'm so happy and I'm so grateful that I've been able to treat myself to these things here and there. Again, I don't just get up and buy these things. I literally save for them and work towards them, and these are over a couple of months, and I go look for deals and offers and stuff, and then I put them and I get what I want. And I think a lot about them because these things are expensive. But I would love to know which one you think was your favorite. Are you thinking of any items? What do you think about this whole unboxing and stuff? I really would love to know. I'm so happy about them, and hopefully I'll be back very, very soon. I'm traveling, probably by the time you see this video, I'm away already, I will try and vlog and, you know, upload it on YouTube and stuff. Otherwise, we'll be back very soon with the whole styling videos and stuff, because thank you also for those who are checking up on me and stuff. I'm doing good. I'm just busy, wrapped up with work, family life and everything, but we'll try and get back on track again as soon as possible. With all that being said, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you love anything fashion, lifestyle, travel, and also luxury vlog, luxury review and unboxing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow your girl at Flossy Insight on Instagram, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps a lot with my YouTube algorithm. With all that being said, take care from me now. Bye.